Aspiration of a liquid is influenced by its volumetric mass density, the mass to volume ratio, which we can simply call density. Serological pipettes are calibrated using deionized water but may be used to pipette liquids of differing densities. For example, they may be used to aspirate and dispense non-aqueous fluids with a lower or higher density than water. To see the difference in mass, simply aspirate, dispense, and weigh a small volume of water and then the same volume of a liquid with a different density. It may be necessary to aspirate more or less liquid to compensate for differences in density. The volume dispensed can be check-weighed using a laboratory balance to ensure accuracy.